Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm just going to show you guys some Funco Can Am cages real quick. Here's one already built right here. It's a four-seater. Four-seater Can Am with a Funco cage on it and other accessories. If you're interested in one of these cages, I'll put my email on the screen right now so you can contact me and I'll get you the best customer service there is. And let's go inside and check it out. Alright guys, here's some Funco Can Am cages right here. They're already built. Looks like we got two four-seaters and a two-seater right there. These will have the roof scoop on them. Okay, the roof scoop. The one I showed you over there has the adventure roof on it. It's called the adventure roof or adventure package. See how it has like, there's no scoops on the top of the cage on the roof. It's like so you can tie down a load or whatever, tie down whatever you want, I guess. But yeah, this is what we got right here. Like I said, two four-seaters and a two-seater just chilling right here. So if you got any questions about pricing or anything, go ahead and send me an email. I'll put my email on the screen right now. And like I said, I'll take good care of you and I'll get you going. So yeah. And here's a Can Am right here that's getting ready to get a cage put on it, Funco cage. Should look pretty good once it's all done. It's a cool color. I like the color. Okay, so here's one more walk around of a installed Funco Can Am cage on a four-seater. So just to see what it looks like installed. Again, this is the adventure roof, so there's no scoop on top, as you can see. So, but we can build either or. Just hit me up. Like I said, I'll put my email on the screen right now if you got any questions about pricing or anything. And yeah, see you in the next video. Peace.